Karbi Students Association Koilamati branch felicitated successful candidates of HSLC and HSSLC candidates at Koilamati under the supervision of KSA Bokatan Regional Committee and KSA Central Executive Committee on 5th July. The felicitation program was initiated by Koilamati branch to motivate and encourage the new generation to excel in their academic career. The event was conducted at Kasomari LP School, Koilamati on Tuesday. Thang Sing Timung, President of Karbi Students Association, Barnabas Killing, Executive Member, KSA Mohan Bey, President of Karbi Farmers Association, Larsing Ingti, President of KSA Bokatan Regional Committee, Modern Kathar, Robert Bey, Koilamati Development Committee, Mensing Bey, Retired Headmaster Arlong Rupat High School, Harson Timung from Karbi Longria Mai, Nilip, Prodium Tiso, President of KSA Koilamati Branch, Samuel Pangcho, Secretary of KSA Koilamati Branch, Rafael Terang, ex-President Koilamati Branch, Stephen Ronghang, Gangbura of Langtu Khanse Village. As many as 69 successful candidates from high school leaving certificates, HSLC, and 14 successful candidates from higher secondary school leaving certificates were felicitated at the event. Thang Sing Timung, President of Karbi Students Association, while interacting with the students, schooled about the pros and cons of excessive uses of smartphones in our day-to-day lives. He spoke about the careers and job opportunities to the student after graduation and also encouraged all the successful candidates to excel in their academic career. In order to grace the occasion, teachers from Presbyterian English High School, Koilamati attended the event and motivated the students for their future endeavor. News Desk report from Koilamati for Karbi Live.